So how do we clear our Roblox app cache on our mobile? So firstly, we need to close the Roblox app completely, and instead we're gonna go into our settings app. So search for settings here on your mobile and go into that app. So now on this app, what we need to do is very simple. Scroll down and click on general and then click on storage right here, as you can see. And then we're just gonna wait for it to load here, as you can see. So now what will happen is that it's gonna load all of the apps that you currently have on your phone. So if you have a lot of apps, this might take a while, just so you know, but don't worry, it's totally worth it. So now when it's done, you're gonna scroll down here and click on the search bar, and then we're gonna search for Roblox here. Of course, I'm just gonna search for Roblox and click on the Roblox app. So now when you click on the Roblox app, click on upload app here, and once again click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, so just wait a couple of seconds. Just keep waiting and then click on reinstall app. So once this finished right here, you will now actually get the latest update for your Roblox app, and then you will also clear cache automatically. So basically that is exactly how to actually do this.